So, yun na guys. Yun. So, eto na. Gluluto na tayo. Wait lang. Siyempre, bubuksan natin. Habang nagkaklase ako, nakikinig ako. Para sa inyo to. Charot. Ang babait ng mga kasama ko, diba guys? Tiga mo, naka-lipstick pa. Hi ka sa vlog ko.
Hey, ako.
Hi ka lang.
Magpapera ba ako dyan?
Oo, magkakaroon ka. Sorry kung nakita niyo yung gym ko. Simpleng pony lang tayo. Pinapainit ko lang siya. Unahin natin is sibuyas. Matalsik pa yan. Siyempre, mahina na. Ay, pakipulot. Kailangan brown na brown siya, guys. Kailangan brown yan.
Brown? Yes, madam. Okay na.
Diba? So yun, nakata akong klase ngayon. Nagluluto ako. Like mag-like lang kayo. Then, share nyo to. Sa gusto pang makita magluto ako, comment ka kayo dyan. Baka ngayon mamayang hapon, mag-upload ulit ata ako ng pancake. Next is bawang. Nakalagay na siya dito kasi pinitpit ko. Pitpitin ang so yan yung mga kasama ko. Nandito na sila.
Gutom na sila.
Dahil si mama is aakit pa ata din sa taas. Maakit ka pa ba dun sa taas? Kuya Pio.
Pitaw mo na pa, hindi ba?
Sa taas ba?
Di pa ako nilinis sa ako.
Ay, aakit ka ba? Sabi ko. Aakit siya sa taas para maglinis. Ano? Mag-share na siya ng screen. Kailangan brown na brown siya, guys. Hindi siya yung maglalagay ka ng panog. Hindi naging brown yung ano mo, di ba? So yun, ang ingay na. Kanina tahimik. Kailangan medyo mahina lang yung kalan mo. Pero para sa akin, lalakasan ko para mabilis. Maging brown.
Sunog yan.
Hindi yan masusunog pag binabantayan mo.
Wala kang...
Sa mga bata dyan guys, huwag niyong gagawin to ng kayo lang. Kailangan may kasama kayo sa bahay. Tama naman. Mas gusto kong kainin na ngayon yung bawang. Dahil dati, hindi ko siya kinakain. So yun.
Wala po, malis po.
Wala po, malis. Dahil wala si mama sa bahay. Yun. Nakikinig lang ako kasi ingay ng kasama ko.
Pinala sa amo.
Maloloy mo lang siya. Kuya Ipi, pabukas nga po nung
Ay, wala ka
corner.
ng buhay mo.
Oh, narinig niyo yun guys kung anong sinasabi niya sa akin.
Ano buhay mo ina?
Yan, hinakan ko muna. O, haluluin mo to.
Tapos na.
O, yan na.
Hindi ako sa'yo eh.
So, yan, binubuksan niya na.
Open the kitchen.
Ang sunod dun sa dalawa is
Itlog.
corn beef. So, yun.
Gano'n kayo ilan? Puro ko. Ito ba? Itong beef? Ito na guys. Yan.
Mawawala si ma'am. Tingnan mo.
Panik na ako ha.
Ah.
Papanik muna daw si mama.
Oh, okay. Nakalagin na.
So, yun, naging golden brown na siya.
Yan, bakit buhay mo? Dala kayo.
Mag-aral ka na ako na lang.
Hindi ako naman. Tinitingnan ko lang kung
Don't put order ha. Pero na tabi ko itong suklihan natin ni Mami. Wala pa siyang pera kabawan.
kawawa na ma.
Oo, hindi na naman yun.
Utak niya eh. Matignan mo kung nawawala yung mga iba kong classmates.
Last week. Asan ako?
Saan napunta?
Maglilinis ako sa taas niya.
Mapasuyo nga muna po ng kutsara. So yun, nagpapatulong muna ako.
Ako na kamay mapapano.
Bisita na. Kailangan maging golden na.
What else?
Tingnan may pagkabukas. Matanggalin mo nga yung nandiyan. Sa may taas, paano matanggal? Yung inutusan ko, hindi man lang tinanggal yung ano. Ma, hindi ikaw yun. Si Kuya Ipi. Yung sa may taas. Hindi man lang tinanggal.
Tapos lagyan natin. Pagutom pa kain ka na ha.
Ang nagturo sa akin magluto nito si Mama. Ang alam ko lang kasi magluto
Lalagyan natin ito.
yung yung with sabaw lang siya. Sabaw.
Dito sa ay!
Nalaglag pa.
Ito lagyan natin ito. Titikman mo muna. Huwag mo lalagyan ng kanya. Asin mo, patis.
Hindi siya lalagyan ng kung ano guys. Hindi kagaya nung nung
Maalat yan. Maalat.
yung ginawa ni Mama kasi dati is guys, yun.
Tapos ihahalo lang to. Ay, di, lagyan mo na siya ng bechin, be.
Yun, tinuturuan ako ni Mama kasi wala akong alam sa medyo pagluluto. Ang alam ko lang lutuin is adobo.
Pati pa naman ako nasama doon sa video niya.
Tapos guys, yung mga hotdog, yung simpleng luto lang. Yun. Yan nilalagyan na ni Mama.
Tama na.
Betchin.
Next, ito na tapos, pag nalanta na siya,
Pag kumulo na.
oh, pinis na yan. Lilinis na ako sa
Opo.
Okay lang eh, sabi ko na.
Okay lang yan mo, maganda yun.
Kasi hirap-hirap lang, kasunod po.
Kung may naririnig kayo nagsasalita, hindi ako yon, teacher ko yon. Hindi ko na siya ma-edit kasi biglang vlog lang to guys. Yung favorite ng lola ko is ito. Corn beef na may. Wala kasi si Mami. Basta pag kumukulo-kulo na siya guys, pwede mo nang ilagay yung repolyo. Yun. Yan, kumukulo-kulo na. Mga 1 akong kakain. 1 or ewan. Basta biglang vlog lang to. Mabasa pag kumukulo na, pwede nang ilagay. Kumukulo na siya. Siyempre. Ito na. Nalagay ko na tong repolyo. Kinamay ko na siya. Malinis ang mga kamay ko eh. Yup. Huwag yung isasama yung mga bulok. Baka isama ninyo pati bulok ha. Sisihin pa ako ng nanay ninyo. Na tinurang ko kayo ng mali. Hugasan nyo muna bago nyo ilagay. Para ano. Masarap to. Ito yung niluluto ko sa Adventist school. Ito yung niluluto namin doon. Adventist kasi kami, ang niluluto lang namin doon is kung sino ganon na walang baboy. Mas gusto ko wala siyang sabaw ngayon kasi hindi mo makakain yung laman. Siyempre, pagkatapos nyo magluto, hugasan nyo pinaggamitan nito. Yun. Ito na siya. Makinig na lang muna ako.
What is propaganda and what are the different propaganda techniques? If you look closely, can you please observe this?
Ngayon, kumakain na ako ng gulay. Dati hindi. Naamin ko sa inyo, hindi ako kumakain ng gulay.
Wala naman hindi ka makita. Hindi mo makita? Hindi mo. Ay, di ba ako makashare? I'm sorry.
Gusto ko naging ng tubig.
Okay, sorry my bad.
Joke lang yun. Hindi naman ito nilalagyan ng tubig.
Wait, here. Can you see it?
Siyempre, titigman ko ito sa harapan niya.
Can you see it? Yes, ma'am.
So, papabayaan mo naman natin siya dyan in 30 minutes. Okay? I'll be right back. Ayan.
The brand name is mine.
Asan yung baboy?
Sigang yan.
Sigaw ka. Wala yung ulam kanina, yung tirami ba? Yung chicken. Ito yung niluluto ko.
Or upstairs na ako ah.
Yeah.
The way or the channel in which this advertisement is being flashed.
Corn beef.
It could be either on
Corn beef na may repolyo.
a TV broadcast, commercial.
Kahit tanong mo kay mama, Mama, di ba ako nagluto na ito?
What is the meaning?
Ma,
Oh,
di ba ako nagluto na ito?
opo.
But here in this particular advertisement,
Ma, tignan mo kung okay na to.
Ganta na. Ay,
No.
that the advertisers use
huwag yung bagyan na lang. Tapos na yan.
Ma?
Bagyan na lang. Kunti na lang.
yes,
Tapos kain ka naman. Kain na.
people are not
Yon, pinapakain niya na ako, guys.
sure. Okay. Next, what is the message? Do you think that this
Magtrabaho ka na. Makaiga ka pa dyan.
pang-drink for athletes? Okay, it's a
Sige na.
for athletes. Do you have any catchy word in this?
Kinikilig ka na naman sa
Okay, they don't have any catchy
So, yun.
words, but they
Pinatay ko na yung kausap ko kasi may work pa siya, then ako magluluto.
of this multi-awarded athletes. Next, are you persuaded to buy this product? If you're going to rate it from 1 to 5, 5 being the highest, how would you rate this advertisement?
Ma'am, depende ma'am eh. Mahirap to.
Are you persuaded to buy this product? But just simply looking into this poster, are you persuaded to buy the product? Please rate it from 1 to 5, 5
Kailangan halo-haloin na siya, guys.
anyone?
Pag-aaralan ko ito mamaya. May video ko muna.
Ano naman yung sagot? There is no right or wrong answer.
Ma, okay na to?
Okay, 2.5. 2.5, what else?
Ma,
3, 2.5.
patayin ko na daw. Opo.
Why do you
So, yun. Tapos na. Bibidyoan ko pag
Why did you give this poster a 3?
pagkakainin.
What is missing? What is lacking? Okay, so there are no catchy words. Wala yung
Sa pinuto mo ah.
parang it doesn't stay within your mind. It's just a poster of athletes and that's it. So kulang siya ng catchy words, kulang siya ng persuasive power. Okay, so let's see. As a critical reader and listener, you should not do
Maglalagay ako rito sa mangkok para kainin ko.
and you hear. First, you must learn to analyze the things presented before you. There are some advertisements who distort the truth. When we say distort, it means that the truth is being hidden or it is being manipulated. And for you to not be fooled by this, you should be knowledgeable about propaganda techniques. It's not just about having critical reading or analyzing in terms of the product that we use or we buy in our daily living, but it's also in terms of the truth or the stories that we believe in. In our modern era, fake news are rampant or rampant throughout social media. And in order for you to be a critical reader and listener, you have to analyze the facts.
Then, tatakpan na natin siya para kainin nila ni mama. Ito, tatakpan
Or
natin.
the information are presenting sources. Because remember,
Then, kuha na ka ng kanin para kumain.
today, you shall know the truth and the
Dalawa ulam ko, yung isa chicken, yung isa hindi.
free. Jesus is the way, the truth, and the life. We have to look on the truth and to share what is the truth. Here, they are distorting the truth from us. But you should not be fooled. You should have critical reading, critical listening, and analyzing power of your mind. For you do not be fooled by any propaganda that is rampant around us. Alright, the first one propaganda technique is the bandwagon. What is this bandwagon? Let us see. The bandwagon is a kind of propaganda technique which persuades people to do something because everyone is doing it. It pressures you
Wait lang.
without questioning the wisdom of the idea. This device is very common in food, shampoo, and soft drink commercials or advertisements. In bandwagon, the mindset is that everyone's doing it, so why don't you do that? And this might be our
Dito tayo. Yan gusto ko na. Sili. Kuha tayo ng sili.
here on our example. The drink everybody knows. So this is the source
Yan,
of
tingnan ako
organic
kumain.
the band
Kita ba ito?
I have
Malaki lang hita ko, guys.
and that's
Yan na.
flash.
Yan, nagkaklase na ako. Yan na, tinubuhok ko.
Dito ma'am.
Naririnig nyo? Hindi rin. Can you hear the video?
Hindi ma'am.
Okay, so pag-picture lang. Ano nakikita nyo? What can you see?
Coca-Cola.
Si Coca-Cola
Coke, ma'am.
nakikita nyo. Wait.
Gusto Gusto ko may sili yung kakainin ko.
Dapat hindi si Coke, dapat isa.
May repolyo na yan, guys.
Ibahin ko yung pag-share. Wait lang.
Kuya Ipi, pabukas nga po ng electric pan dito.
Video.
Electric pan.
Bakit wala yung video?
Kain.
Oh, it's not responding. What is happening?
Ay, ikaw lang.
Wait, lag. What can you see on your screen?
Asan daw at peg?
Hear me? Are you still there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yan ako kumahan ng jowa ko. Charot.
Ma'am. Yes.
It's not responding. Okay,
Ang
the first
nagpilit
one
pala sa akin
is
mag-vlog,
Bandwagon,
guys,
as I
is
had said earlier.
X.
Bandwagon focuses on
Dati pa lang is gusto ko na mag-vlog.
Can you think of
Then
a
update
certain
ko nga pala
commercial or
bakit ngayon lang ako
advertisement
mag-upload kasi
is
nga
using this propaganda
sobrang
bandwagon?
busy. Maraming pinagdadaanan.
Advertisement.
Or parang may nakita ko sa same words dati, yung Palmolive, ma'am.
Okay, what is in Palmolive?
Ma'am, yung parang, ganito yun, ma'am, yung parang ganun klaseng
Hindi natin ito malaki.
ganun klaseng message yun, ma'am.
Same message that
Na siyempre, ma'am, di ba maganda sa, ano, kaya,
Dahil lang ako nag-vlog.
tapos papawala ng tanda, yun, ma'am.
Uwi ka na? Bakit?
okay, but in bandwagon
Kapatid ka kay bebe mo?
is not just to endorse,
Sana all.
to endorse the product itself. Hindi niya actually pinapakita yung benefits of having the product eh. In bandwagon, ang focus niya, everyone
natin
is
siya.
doing it, so you have to join us. Can you think of a certain advertisement or commercial with this propaganda thing?
Ingi ka? Gusto mo? Gusto mo?
Wala po, sir.
Di ba?
Bakit po?
Ganda nun. Hiningian pa ako.
Ma'am,
Yes, yes.
nakita ko dito sa refresh your world, din na lang kami.
Tawagan ko lang yung video.
Refresh your world? Ano refresh your world?
Si ma'am, sa si ma'am. Ma'am, quality.
Walang lasa yung sili, guys. Kulam. May sinend si ma'am. Siyempre, gusto natin ng chicken. Tingnan natin.
Wala po
Mukbang na rin.
ni ma'am.
Meron na. Parang mukbang na rin to, guys. natuto kong kumain ng gulay. Yung mga nagbablog. Yan. Kasi tunog pa lang na pagkain ng gulay is sobrang sarap. Yung gulay, balik lang. Baka sabihin ninyo hindi ko kinakain. Kinakain ko, guys. Dahil paubos na yung water ko, hindi na ako mag-water. Yan.
Welcome back, grade 8. Welcome back, and I'm really sorry for what happened earlier. Okay, so let me proceed.
Wala siyang anghang, nilagyan ko naman yung
Share
sili.
my screen.
Makikita ninyo nandito yung sili. Binuo ko yan.
Going back to our discussion of propaganda techniques, propaganda is a way of persuading or manipulating to produce a certain action or specific action. And being knowledgeable about the different kinds or techniques of propaganda will help you to be critical in terms of the decisions made. So let's proceed. The first propaganda technique that we are discussing is about the bandwagon. Again, the mindset in bandwagon is that everyone is doing it and you have to join the group. You have to join the crowd. It is pressuring you without
Sinampulan ako ng sili sa
wisdom of
anghang.
the idea, without questioning the product or the service that is being offered. Still, you are being pressured to consume or to avail a particular product because everybody is doing it or consuming it. So that is bandwagon. Just like our example here, the drink everybody knows, Pop, Go, Refresh, Coca-Cola. If you are a person who haven't tasted Coca-Cola yet, and it is black or green, or you haven't exposure, and it is a drink that everybody knows, you got curious. Okay, why don't I join the crowd or the people who knew about this product? You are going to buy the product for you to know what is the taste of Coca-Cola, so that you will belong to the group of that everybody who knows about Coca-Cola. So that is bandwagon. Again, in bandwagon, the mindset is that everyone is doing it. Come and join us. Next, number 2 is testimonial. When we say testimonial, it is giving celebrity, an influencer, or a model, a politician who promotes or endorses a product or a political candidate. They testify to the efficacy of a product. What was the efficacy? It is the effectiveness of the product. You are not expected
Papadagdag tayo ng kanin.
the quality.
Kuya Ipi!
Instead, you are expected
Ipi!
the product
Kanin!
of the celebrity.
Dali na!
It seems like you are not looking upon the quality of the product. What does this product, what are the benefits I could get if I purchase the product? You are not looking upon its quality. You are not analyzing its properties.
Buksan mo.
Because your favorite artist, your favorite K-pop idol, your favorite
Huy! Huy!
Uy, ka rin.
actor,
No!
Uy!
using a particular product, you buy it because of the prestige of the celebrity.
Nagusto yung cellphone ko.
Basa ba? Nasadya.
No.
Nasadya. Kamay na.
So this is Vice Ganda. If you belong to Vice Ganda's fan club, if you are one of the fans, you will also avail the product.
Kamay na.
No.
What is
Nasadya
the
kayo.
product?
Cellphone ko guys.
What is the product he is endorsing? Alaska. Alaska. What is the specific product of Alaska?
Alaska Condensada.
Okay, Alaska Condensada. It is a combination of purple cream and condensed milk. So if you are a fan of Vice Ganda, you are not looking upon is Alaska Condensada the best of all the condensada out there. You're not looking upon its
Pansin ko
quality,
sa'yo.
but rather you are
Alam
looking
naman
upon the
yun.
prestige of that particular celebrity who is endorsing the product. Oh, since Vice Ganda is endorsing Alaska Condensada, I will also use it.
Finish na.
Since Blackpink is endorsing Samsung, I will also purchase my own Samsung. Okay? So that is the second propaganda technique, testimonial. Next, the third one is transfer. The transfer technique relates to a person, idea, or thing. You may have a little confusion, maybe a little bit confused about the difference of testimonial and transfer. In transfer, the technique, it relates to a person, idea, or thing to others that have proved good or beneficial. It seems like you are giving also a testimony. You are persuaded to drink an energy drink because you have seen an athlete who is drinking the same product. Therefore, you think that you could
Hoy!
him, her, if you do the same. Similarly, when you campaign for a certain politician by saying that you are related to that person,
Ingay mo ba daw?
propagandizing by transfer. In testimonial, it is the prestige
Hoy!
of the celebrity.
Kukulong kita.
Or, in transfer, you relate yourself to that particular
Mga bata dito.
endorser who is endorsing that product. For example, here in Cetaphil, you want to achieve clear skin. Since the person who is endorsing the product has cleared the skin, you are relating yourself to that particular person. Oh, at first she doesn't have a clear skin, and after weeks of using that product, she achieved a clear, glassy, glowing skin. I will also use this transfer. It seems like the endorser is transferring the idea. Okay? Do you have any confusion with testimonial and transfer? Confused with transfer? Oh, yes?
Parang parehas.
Inis pa naman sa mata.
Okay, parang it seems like it is related, but actually it is not. Again, in testimonial, you are focused on the celebrity. You are not focused on the product.
Cut
is
ko.
endorsing the product is also an athlete, and he is drinking that energy drink. For example, Gatorade. He is drinking that Gatorade, and I will also drink that Gatorade in order for me to be like him. Okay, that's his transfer. He wanted to be like the person who is endorsing the product. Intense emotion. You adore the endorser. That is why you are buying the product. Okay? Do you get it?
Opo, ma'am.
Okay. That is the third propaganda technique, transfer. Next, number 4 is emotional words. This propaganda device uses strong emotional words of highly valued concepts such as love, freedom, and honor to arouse passionate emotions. It usually appeals to sympathy or the use of guilty feelings to persuade. For example, an ad that convinces the citizens to use EcoBag and would play on their guilt that they are not good citizens if they would not do so. So emotional words, it is using the highly valued concepts such as love, such as family, such as freedom in a certain product. This is the type of product being endorsed that it seems like it doesn't have a connection with the concept that they are endorsing. Just like in Jollibee. Jollibee has a good
Sorry na lang, guys.
commercial.
Don't forget to
Short film ngayon,
like, share, comment,
then browse it on YouTube.
subscribe, and please click the rainbow button para like updated sa mga video. Don't forget to share, ha? Then comment kayo kung ano pang gusto nyo videos na gagawin. So yun guys, bye bye. Love you all. Nga.